Hello once again, and greetings from Japan, the land of Toyota, the most popular car in Japan for sure. Anyway, today we have a Toyota FJ Cruiser, which is has a V6 4-liter petrol engine. I believe it's based on the Prado floor plan, and I think it was originally introduced in the US in 2008, I think, but the right-hand drive version wasn't released in Japan until 2011, which this car is a 2011 April, so it must be one of the first that was retailed in Japan. This one is it's a 2011 April. It's got 85,000 miles, which is 137,000 kilometers, I believe. Anyway, it's had one fastidious owner. I mean, the car is really very, very nice, indeed. And it has some very nice add-ons. It's got the optional roof rack, which is rather nice. It's got the optional front fog lights, and it also, this one, it's showing with 17-inch alloys, aftermarket alloys, but the car also comes with a set of factory original 18-inch alloys, which came with the car. And if you refer to the Dropbox link of photos, you can see photographs of each individual wheel. But for the video, we've chosen to video it with these 17-inch alloys on, as it came with those on. The 18-inch will be shipped inside the car, secured inside the car. So the car comes with two sets of wheels, one with winter tires and one with regular radial tires. It also has a 4-pipe exhaust, which I'll show you when we get to the rear of the car. Anyway, it's just spotless car. It's very, very nice. So let's just take a look at it here. Nothing much to say about it, really. It's just a lovely car. I actually have one myself, not in Japan. We keep it at the house in South Africa. It's a great vehicle for driving in South Africa, because you can never quite sure if the route you're taking, the road is going to stay tarmac or not. And these things just cruise along on anything. Okay. And as you can see, it's got the 4-pipe exhaust, and the underneath is also really nice. And there again, look at the photos in the Dropbox link. It's just the color is pretty outstanding. Personally, I really like it. The one I have is black, which is a bit boring, but this one I think is really nice. They do this model in many colors actually, but I think this color is particularly outstanding. Comes with the optional mat. It's got the center headrest, nice clean roof lining. Yeah, it hasn't been messed around. He obviously hasn't been throwing stuff in the back, tools and whatnot. It's obviously been used by somebody who purely for domestic purposes. Okay, has a rear camera. It's inside there. It's Ganador. It's the exhaust system is Ganador, which is a well-known brand here in Japan. Right. The wheels are all spotless, no corrosion at all. Car is very obviously garaged. It's been garaged all its life. So it's 2011 April. With 85,000 miles. You can see it has the suicide door system, which is a little odd, but it works. It's not terribly spacious leg room wise in the back. I have actually travelled in the back of mine, and it's a little, yeah, it's a little cramped on the knees. The seats themselves are fine, but if the front passenger is relatively small, then it's fine actually for sitting behind the front seats if the front seat passengers aren't massive themselves. You can see the condition of the seat, which is just very nice. The car does not show the mileage at all in any form. Actually, the one, yeah, I think the one we've clocked up. We've clocked up mileage of about 190,000 kilometers now. Okay. Let's get in. Whoa. All right. Let's start the ignition. And as you can see, all the warning lights are off. This is the V6 4-litre engine, so it's lots of power, very smooth, just very nice machine. And it has, this one has rear, very nice clear rear camera, and it has these things which are quite useful. It has side visors, so when you get the sun coming at you from the side, you can cut it out, which is nice. And because it has curtain airbags, and front airbags of course, and side airbags. Yeah, not much to really say about the car. It's got various controls down here. Yeah, it's got center diff lock, traction. There must be rear fog lights, the one on the far left. It's got parking sensors for those tight parking situations, and heated front screen, and yeah, and front fog lights, and the controls for the front headlights, the height of the front headlights depending on what you're carrying in the back. Presently it's only got one remote key, but we'll supply a second one, so the car will come with 2 remote keys. Yeah, and that's about it. There's also a side visor on this side, on the driver's side. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the engine. That's the fuse box down there, just opening it up. Yeah. Oh yeah, and the glove box. There's no manual in there, but probably in the office. Sorry, this car just came in yesterday, so But he came in and it's so clean, we didn't need anything. We didn't need the slightest attention other than a quick clean. As I say, whoever had this car has taken really nice care of it. Okay. Just okay, and you can take a look at the. Oh yeah, the other thing is the side. What you call them? Side decorations. The FJ Cruiser Silver. That's a dealer option, which is a nice touch, I think. And here we have the auction sheet. So it was a grade 4 BB, which is about as good as it gets for a car this age. It's a Heisei 23, so 2011 April, 136,000 kilometers. That converts to 85,000 miles. Yellow two-tone, and as you can see, there is literally not a mark on it. I mean, that was, I just bought a 2021 Honda, and the auction sheet on that with only 8,000 kilometers was exactly the same, basically. The A's and the U's, ones. So whoever kept this car has just been so careful. It's unbelievable. We don't get them like this too often. It's nice. Anyway, 2011 April, so non-SVA. It doesn't come in and comply simply, and just a really nice car. If you're interested in this, please talk to Paul at JA, and he can organize the purchase of it, and we can organize the shipping to the UK. Thankfully, shipping has been good. We've been very fortunate to be able to ship everything pretty much right away, so that's been good. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.